In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. If you want to remove Creative Cloud the right way, it's important to do more than just delete the desktop app. Adobe apps often leave behind shared components and saved preferences. So in this walkthrough, we'll first remove the installed Adobe programs and then use Adobe's official uninstaller to clean up the Creative Cloud desktop software itself. To begin, launch the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. Once it opens, head to the Apps tab and find the section labeled Installed Apps. This is where you'll see every Adobe program currently installed through Creative Cloud. Now look for any installed app, such as Photoshop, and click the three-dot menu next to it. From that menu, choose Uninstall. When Adobe asks for confirmation, make sure to select Yes, Remove App Preferences. This helps clear out old settings and configuration profiles, which is useful if you want a more complete uninstall rather than leaving leftover data behind. Continue repeating this process for each Adobe app in your installed apps list until the list is empty. Take your time here, because this is an important part of fully removing Creative Cloud-related software from your system. If you skip the individual apps, the main uninstall process may leave some shared items behind. Once all Adobe apps have been removed, open your web browser and search for the Adobe Help Center uninstaller page. When the search results appear, click the correct Adobe support link for the Creative Cloud uninstaller. Make sure you're choosing the official Adobe page so you download the proper tool for your system. On that page, download the zip file that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. After the download finishes, extract the zip file to your desktop folder. Keeping it on the desktop just makes it easier to find in the next step. Next, run the executable file included in the extracted folder. Depending on your system, you may be asked for administrator permission before it opens, so approve that if needed. A warning pop-up box will appear, and here you should click Uninstall to allow the script to remove Creative Cloud's core system dependencies. After that, let the process finish completely without interrupting it. Once it's done, Adobe Creative Cloud should be fully removed from your computer. If you want the cleanest possible result, it can also help to restart your machine afterward, so any remaining background services are fully cleared from memory. And that's it. You've now gone through the complete removal process for Adobe Creative Cloud.